Today we have minus 22 or maybe 23, and I just changed my car battery and will try to start up engine. Seems like we have some problem.